Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Quizlet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just all you have to do now, you just go here above free trial, you just click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on see plans. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on try free and subscribe here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this. Add credit or debit card here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.